Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Babbel, access language learning lessons step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or open the Babbel app on your phone or tablet. Check that your internet connection is working so the login page can load correctly. Type babbel.com in the address bar if you are using a browser, then press enter. On the Babbel website, look at the top right corner and click the login button. In the Babbel app, tap Login on the first screen if you are not already signed in. Choose the login method that matches how you created your account, such as, if you select email, click or tap the email field and enter your email address carefully. Click or tap the password field and type your password exactly as you created it. Make sure caps lock is off if your password uses lowercase letters. If you want, enable the Remember Me option on a personal device to stay signed in. Click or tap Login to submit your details. Wait a moment while Babbel verifies your account and loads your dashboard. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Enter your email address and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. Return to the login page and sign in again using your new password. If you use Google Login, select Continue with Google and choose the correct Google account. If you use Apple Login, select Continue with Apple and confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. If you see an error message, recheck your email, password, and any extra spaces you may have typed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser tab or close and reopen the app. After you log in, choose your language course from the main screen or course list. Click or tap Continue Learning to resume where you left off. To start a new lesson, open the lesson or units section and pick the next available lesson. Use the navigation menu to find review, vocabulary, or practice options if you want extra training. If you want to switch devices, log in on the new device with the same account to sync progress. If you are using a shared device, open your account settings and choose Log Out when finished. To find settings, click your profile icon and open Account or Settings. Check your subscription or plan details in the account area if lessons are locked. If problems continue, open the Help or Support section and contact Babbel support with your account email. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.